Wanna know how to get to Bantayan Island in the Philippines from Manila? Come along with us. Take a direct flight from Manila to Cebu, Manila's NAIA to Mactan Cebu's International Airport. The flight from Manila International Airport to Mactan Cebu International Airport takes about an hour. There is Jollibee restaurant in Mactan Cebu Airport if you want a quick bite. Take myBus to the North Bus Terminal. In our case, we took a cab from Mactan Airport to North Bus Terminal. There is a bus leaving Mactan Airport every 30 minutes from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. and every 20 minutes from 11 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Beyond those hours, you may take a cab or Grab, and fare is around 170 to 300 depending on traffic. We finally arrived at North Bus Terminal and we're gonna board a Ceres bus bound for Hagnaya Port. The aircon bus fare cost about 180 pesos. And you can still catch a nap if you want, as it takes about 3 hours to get there. At Hagnaya Port, board the island shipping or super ferry shuttle bound for Santa Fe Port. Pay your island shipping ferry boat for 184 pesos and ecological fee of 10 pesos per person. The ferry travel time from Hagnaya Port to Santa Fe Port in Bantayan Island is approximately 1 hour. We finally arrived at Santa Fe Port, Bantayan Island. From the walkway to the tourism office, you will register and pay 30 pesos per person. Take a tricycle to your resort. Fare is 20 pesos per person. If you have a free pickup from your resort, that would be all good. Finally here in Bantayan Island, please check out the next videos for our Bantayan Island adventures.